Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about tax credits in real estate. Tax credits can be an excellent way for real estate investors to save money and maximize their returns. In this video, we'll be discussing what tax credits are, how they work, and the benefits they offer to real estate investors. Tax credits are a type of incentive offered by the government to encourage real estate investment and development. They are a dollar-for-dollar reduction in the amount of taxes owed, meaning that if you have a tax credit of $1,000, you can reduce your tax bill by $1,000. This can result in significant savings for real estate investors, particularly for those who own and operate affordable housing or historic properties. There are several types of tax credits available for real estate investors. Low-Income Housing Tax Credit, LIHTC. The Low-Income Housing Tax Credit, LIHTC, is a popular tax credit for developers of affordable housing. This credit provides a dollar-for-dollar reduction in federal income tax liability for developers who build or rehabilitate affordable housing units. Historic Tax Credit, HTC. The Historic Tax Credit, HTC, is another tax credit available for investors who restore historic buildings. This credit provides a 20% credit for qualified rehabilitation expenditures and a 10% credit for non-historic buildings constructed before 1936. Tax credits can also be combined with other tax incentives, such as deductions, to further reduce taxes owed. For example, the Section 179 deduction allows real estate investors to deduct the cost of certain equipment and property improvements in the year they are purchased, rather than depreciating them over time. When combined with tax credits, these deductions can provide even greater savings. In conclusion, tax credits can be a valuable tool for real estate investors looking to maximize their returns and save money on taxes. By taking advantage of tax credits and other tax incentives, investors can reduce their tax bill and reinvest those savings into their real estate portfolio. If you're interested in learning more about tax credits in real estate, consult with a qualified tax professional or real estate attorney to ensure you're taking advantage of all available tax benefits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.